Do you want to know how you can add new symbols on your MetaTrader 5 account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add new symbols on your MetaTrader 5 account. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5, which is on your phone. Go ahead and click on the plus icon which you see after you go to quotes. You can see you are currently on quotes, so go ahead and click on the plus icon and you can select your broker and you can see some of the symbols over here. If you want to add your symbol, go ahead and tap on it and you can see that it will be added on your quote space. So all you need to do is select the symbol over here, tap on it, and if you go back, you can notice that this symbol has been added on the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it and you can now go to new order and buy or sell the product. So guys, this is how you add new symbols on your MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.